When deadly intent continues.
Are you videoing?
Of course, you'd never treat yours that way. Right? The Nissan Altima, made to drive, built to last. Lease a new 2008 Nissan Altima for $199 a month for 36 months.
The old Miller place. In spite of what happened there. It's a dead zone. We're getting lost in there for years. Class residents are completely insane. We have the Verizon network.
That's the ethno mama.
Basically, it is.
We test our network every day to be America's most reliable Verizon Wireless. Now get the new NV2 for just $99.99.
He's got three beautiful kids.
They're not home right now.
Hey, why yours and mine? I love the way this one feels.
This one does wonders for me.
And when they combine...
Introducing K1 brand stores line.
I think they're full.
Yeah, they're acting like it. Yep, they're ready to go back to sleep.
Mom, where's my truck? Mom, where's my blue tire?
Molly!
Nope, they're ready to go back to sleep. They're done.
See my helmet?
Okay.
Mom,
Finally, there's a place in the house where everything is where it should be. The Kenmore Elite Refrigerator. With expansive wide open spaces that create more usable shelving, it's easy to find everything. Which means one less Kenmore. Life running beautifully.
Lunch where Clapton became slogan. 0 pounds. Cover charge where John Bon Jovi played his first show. $0.
To go in the corner.
5 minutes on Penny Chesney's original tour bus. $0.
Where are you going?
Getting back to where it all began.
Where are you going?
Priceless. Use your MasterCard and you can meet a rock legend.
Going over to the
wherever you
corner?
start. Go to priceless.com.
One over.
To level 5, all of us with these powers.
One over.
Where evil resides. The villain's clear.
See, tunnels in under. Yeah. But they're out, those are messed over you.
Choose a side.
I always loved you.
Heroes.
What are you doing? Who can see me now, huh? Who can see me now, huh?
Kill date set. Price agreed. Method of murder as clear as the Philadelphia sky. All Linda the hit woman needs is a photo of the target. And he has one.
Say goodnight.
He's getting out of there.